it's Isaac Smith. We are at Fiddler's Green Irish Pub and Eatery. As you can see, we are about to go inside. I usually play piano. My friend Ryan usually plays guitar. Speaking of Ryan, you've never met my friend. His name is Ryan Gomez. I'm about to flip the camera over to him, and we'll see what he has to say.
My name is Isaac Fiddler's Pub, and I'm entering this beautiful venue at this moment in time. You know, we're about to have the...
Thanks. Cool.
Oh yeah!
That video will get at least a dozen views. That was awesome.
Yo, what's good, guys? I'm Ryan Gomez, and we are leaving Fiddlers. We're gonna head home now. Just like an angel, skin makes me cry. Flow like a feather in a beautiful world. Wish I was special, special.